Alright, what's going on, everyone? I'm Tristan, and yeah, I'm back from hospital, all that, back from surgery, no longer in the gown. Got my broken leg posted up under here. I need to get it elevated because that's what they said. So for this video, I'm disobeying those rules, but I'm basically just here to talk about a little incident that I had on GRAILED a couple days ago. Another one, two times within 1 week on GRAILED where I was almost scammed, and I just kind of want to go over it and talk about it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I've been doing better. My leg hurts a little less, but as you guys know, I just got surgery yesterday. So like, you know, we're still trying to get better. It just, you know, kind of hurts still, obviously, to like walk, get upstairs, downstairs, all that, like on crutches. But yeah, you know, they got me doing breathing exercises too at the work and breathing into this because I can't exercise or anything, so they're trying to keep my lungs healthy and all that, like with corona right now. So like, stuff's pretty crazy right now. So I just hope you all will enjoy this video. I'm gonna make it as entertaining as I can with your broke leg boy right now. So subscribe for my leg at least, and drop a like, maybe two. You know, I'd appreciate that. And yeah, let's get into this video on how I almost got scammed on GRAILED twice in 1 week. And this is me really going over the second time and how it almost happened. So let's go. Oh, and if you also want to, I almost always forget to say this, it's something just classic. Right here, if you guys want to follow either of my Instagrams, I'd appreciate that. They're both linked in the description. I'd appreciate a follow on either above. But yeah, now let's get started. All right, so basically here's how it went down. So originally the issue I had with the seller after I bought the product was like they weren't responding to me. Like, I'll try and go through the first few messages so you can see them. I was like, let me know when shipped, huge thank you. Can you ship Monday? I know post is closed today. And all these messages were on the same day, right? So maybe it did seem like I was blowing his phone up. So I tried to give him a day or two, but he hadn't even like responded or nothing. So I thought I bought a listing that was like too old, and I was like, yo, can I get my money back somehow or something? Like, that's what I thought was going on. But I thought I'd gotten the steal just on a size small pink Supreme bandana box logo hoodie, and I was like, all right, I can sell this and make some good profit. And I thought I had gotten a good deal. But after I looked at it a bit, like after I bought it, I was like, something doesn't seem right about this. Like, it still has a StockX tags. The price is way too low for like if he bought it off StockX. Like, why would he have bought it off StockX and then be selling it for so low months later? Like, it didn't add up really. So I was like, do you have it before I request a refund? I'm confused as why you aren't responding. And then obviously I figured out that the box logo was fake. So I simply just said, can you refund me before I open a case since the logo's fake? Now, that might have been me going a little far, like opening a PayPal case within the first day just because I proved it was fake. But I mean, you know, I guess it does kind of make sense to be like, yo, like, can you send me my money back like right now since I know this is fake and you're trying to pass it as real? And it's like, and I just said, I'm gonna open it tomorrow or Tuesday, so try and hit me back before then with a refund, and we'll be all straight. And I contacted GRAILED about this one too, like saying that the item was fake. So GRAILED eventually comes through for me at the end, and you'll see this. And I was originally hating on GRAILED because I was like, dang, y'all really aren't helping me out here. It's like, I just got low-key scammed. I was like, I'm gonna open it tomorrow, Tuesday, so try and hit me back before then, since it was very, very fake. So I was like, all right, you better give me my money back. You know, you're gonna have to run me my money at some point. You send me the item, you're still gonna have to give me my money at some point. So I was like, don't send it, don't go scam somebody else, not me, all right, because I'm not dumb. He said, hello, I'm sorry I attended a birthday party and did not reply to your message in time. Please forgive me. That didn't really make sense to me. Like, you didn't attend to a 24-hour birthday party. Like, he hadn't been responding for like 24 hours. So I was like, bro, nobody attends to a party for 24 hours. I didn't say that, but like, you know, just that's how it is. And he said, I will send you the hoodie within 24 hours. No reply. You are very sorry. So obviously you can tell he's not the best with his English either, but that's okay. I'm not really going to judge someone's like selling abilities based off of that, because I've met some amazing sellers that just cannot speak English, but like they're so good at what they do. So like, you know, that's what it is. But yeah, I was like, can you refund me instead? I was like, I forgive you, just can you refund me? You know, like straight up, like, you know, you were trying to hit the lick, you failed on me, just refund me, it's all good. And I was like, please, it's fake, refund me. It's like, my friend, I bought the hoodie packaging to the transportation company and I've passed inspection of the staff. I cannot cancel the order, thank you. Now, I'm assuming he's talking about the StockX staff, and we kind of all know how StockX is when it comes to checking stuff, not the best. So I was like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm like, it is fake, bro. I can prove through the tags, man. Please cancel the order. It's fake. Can I get my money back? And I was like, can I get my money back? He wasn't responding anymore. So I was like, all right, bro. Like, my last two messages were basically talking about I'm either going to call my bank and get my money back because it's fake, or I'm going to open a case in PayPal. And literally I think I had been working, literally, oh yeah, I picked this up because why not? But literally the second that I had sent those messages, I'm pretty sure GRAILED like reads like all seller messages to see what's going on, to like ban certain sellers and all this. And I was like, it's fake, it's fake. And then at the end, it comes through, GRAILED deletes this man's account. Now, my number one mistake off this account is I shouldn't have bought off him. He had no feedback or nothing. So I was super stupid to buy off him. But yeah, then it just says right here, GRAILED bot, your seller has fully refunded you 305. Please allow 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reduct to your original funding source. So I got all my money back, as you can see there. His account got taken down, so I got 2 grailed scammers off the streets in 1 week. That's how it is. So if y'all trying to scam me, just don't do it. I'm gonna end your account. That's how it is. So please don't try and scam me on Grailed. Like, I'm serious. Like, if you're a scammer on Grailed and you actually like look my name up, come find me on Grailed, try and scam me, like, your account's gonna be gone. So please don't do it. I'm just trying to be nice here, because, you know, I feel like some people gotta get their money certain ways, and I understand that, but don't do it to me. All right. But yeah, pretty much how I almost got scammed 2 times in 1 week on Grailed, and that was the second situation right there. But as you can see, I took a dub in both. So got my money back, and let's roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and drop a like for more content like this. I'd appreciate it. Your boy's recovering. Obviously, I need to get back to my bed and like prop my leg up, because, like, you know, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna listen to the doctor on that one. You know, I just got surgery and all that, so I'm trying to be like my best, you know, best behavior, all that kind of stuff. Just, you know, just stay good for the leg. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. So I hope y'all did enjoy. Go follow me on both my Instagram in the description. I'd appreciate a follow either or both. That'd be super dope. I'd make my day for sure, so go give me a follow there. And yeah, I'm going to keep trying to put out content as often as I can right now with this whole leg surgery situation, but just wish me a speedy recovery. It's 4 to 6 weeks, but I think I got this fast. So hopefully I get through this fast and quick. So thank you all, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!